today I'm going to describe my best friend. I've had many friends, but one of them is my best friend. Her name is Windy Silviana Maharani. She is the first one who comes to my mind if you ask about best friend. We met about 5 years ago in high school. We started to spend time together, so we got to know each other. A friendship about 5 years, and of course will continue however the life changes. I will describe my best friend as a very nice person, crazy, beautiful and caring, helpful, childish girl, but sometimes she acts like mature woman. Even she is crazy, she is the most understanding woman I've ever met in my life. She loves cats, of course me too. She likes to talk to a cat, and she's a little bit crazy like I'd say before, but she is nice. She's my best friend too. She is the craziest person, but also she is the nicest person too. I love her for her craziest. Let me tell you a little bit about her physical appearance. She has medium-length black hair and black eyes. She is really good looking. She is about 1 meter 60. She is the same age as me. Yes, she is 19 years old. Her weight is 45 kilograms. She is someone who's told me everything, and I've told her everything too. She is someone who would back me up in a fight or argument. She is loyal to the core. Don't judge me for my lifestyle, looks, or decision. Has always stayed beside me in the hard paces and handles me well during mood swings. We have a lot in common. For instance, both of us love music. We are in the same culture of music. We love indie music, pop music, or even it's rock music. We can share our playlist at the moment. And we love watching a concert. As you know that we are in the same culture of music, so we can watch the same concert too, and it's fun. And we like reading comic books and also novels. We like to explore books at Gramedia and also enjoy similar kinds of films. We love watching a movie together at the cinema or something. We love to. I do my best to make my best friend happy. We have different characteristics. We are not exactly the same, but I think it's better for us because we can complete each other perfectly, and I think it's good for our friendship too. So I think it's enough for me to describe her. It's appreciate pause for her, and I would say thank you for her too, for being my best friend. Thank you, Windy. Have a nice day, everyone. Bye bye.